Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. Now, do you want to learn how to crochet? Now, crochet is becoming a really big thing and I think it's a skill that everyone could learn. But before you can get into the meat of the matter, you have to be able to make that first loop into that first chain. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what I like doing is I get my thread, fold it like this, then I twist the head like that. That way it gives me a crossing of the thread. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold there with my fingers and you have your loop. Then what I'll do is I'll grab the lead thread and I will put it between my fingers like that. Now if you want your loop a little bit smaller, I'm going to grab the tail and just pull on it just a little bit, you know. Then I'll get my needle, put it inside my loop. I'm going to go under the lead thread. Make sure the lead thread is in the hook. Then I'm going to pull through that loop that I'm holding, and all you have to do now is let it go. There it is. Now you're ready to start doing your chains. Now, what we want to do, make that first chain, you go under the lead, grab the lead in your hook, pull through the loop. That's chain 1. Under the lead, pull through 2. Under the lead, pull through 3. Under the lead, pull through 4. Under the lead, pull through 5. Under the lead, pull through 6. Got it? That's it. That's it. There you go. There you go. And you just keep practicing until it becomes easy. Now, it may take a few tries to get it, but you'll get it. Now, I recently uploaded a tutorial that you could follow, but before you can do that, we have to make that first ring. So let me just go ahead and show you how you could do that. So I'm going to pull all of that out and I'm going to insert my needle into this one. And what I'm going to do is to make the ring, I'm going to have to go back to the very first chain that I made. Now you see, now you have 2 on your needle, 2 loops on your needle. Let's get that right. And what you'll do is a slip stitch. So we're just going to go under the lead and just pull through. That's it. So you have your ring right there. And that's basically it. Now you can just go ahead and follow the tutorial on how to make that granny square, but in the meantime, first learn how to do this part. Okay, these are double stitches that I'm doing, and that's all included in that lesson. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.